Please subscribe and make like and ring the bell.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Ismail Muhammad Nabil, and today I'll make videos about programming. The first app that we will use, Scratch, then Thunkable, then Python, and HTML. Okay, these are the apps that we will use today. First we will start with Scratch. I'll tell you about Scratch and how to make apps. When we finish Scratch, we'll go to the other app, as I said. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now we will press login over here. Okay, and press create. Okay, and start creating a project. Okay. Now first, I'll show you some of my projects. Okay, and I'll tell you which one that will make it. We will make show you a project. It's easy and for beginners. Okay, we can make hydrogen atom. Okay, I'll show you. As you can see, okay, now I'll tell you how to do this project. And this is the code. Okay, it's too easy. Only we'll write this. Okay, now first we'll choose a sprite, but only the mouse like this, and we'll show all the icons. Okay, paint, press paint. Okay, we will choose the circle. Okay, and make it color inside the circle will be red, and the outline will be red too. Okay, you press Shift Alt. Okay, to make the circle equal, not like an egg, like a ball, like this. Okay, and you press like this and put it in the center. Let's zoom it and put a positive sign text. Okay, like this. You make it black. This is the design. Okay, now at the backdrop, we will make it black. Get a square like this. Okay, we finished this. The sprite one, and we'll make the other sprite. We want to put this sprite one in the center. We'll make in the X position X 0 and the Y 0. Okay. At the backdrop, we will add some words. Okay. One. First, we will write H with color red, and let's make H capital, and put it over there, and write number 1. And we will write hydrogen atom. Okay. Now we'll finish the backdrop and sprite 1. We'll make the sprite 2. Okay. We'll make the circle with no fill and make the outline white. Okay. And let's press Shift Alt. But you cannot see it, because, so we make the thickness 5, okay, and we'll make it outline black first so you can see it. And also you can press Control Shift, okay, and let's put can you see this plus sign? We should put it in the circle that inside it plus sign too. Automatically it'll be attracted by itself like this. Like you can see, you cannot move it. Okay, like this. And we will make its color white. Now, sorry, over here, the outline. And now let's put the electrons, okay, Control Shift, the outline blue, and the fill inside it, we'll make it the same color. We'll put it like this. And we'll make the negative sign with black. Okay, now we finished the sprite 2. Let's change the position, make it in the center. X will be 0 and Y position will be 0. Okay, like this. Let's make the sprite 1 little small. Okay, when size over here will be 50. Okay, like this. And now let's start coding. We'll make the code in sprite 2 only. Okay. In the events, we'll take when the green flag clicked, what to do. Okay. Forever. Okay, to repeat forever and never stop. Okay. What will do forever? Motion over here. Turn 15 degrees. But it moves so fast. So we need it slow. So we change the degree. Will be you can make your own speed to 1, like this. And like this, we finish the project. The same. Over here, I made it 3. can make your own speed that you want. This is today.